This is the cheat sheet review for the comparison and logical operator lesson, which is CS-ASP underscore 013. And we obviously talked about, first of all, comparison operators. So comparison operators. And those are used for conditional statements. So we obviously started with the double equal sign, which tests for equality. Then there is the opposite of that, which tests for inequality. So if the inequality is true, then execute the code block. We obviously have a less than and greater than, and a less than or equal or greater than or equal operator. And then there's also this, whenever you use the exclamation mark in front of some Boolean value, whether it be a property of a control or just some variable that you created, that means that it is testing for not true. So if some Boolean value is not true, then execute the code block below the comparison, the conditional statement. Okay, and then we also talked about logical operators, which are used to combine multiple expressions for evaluation, valuation. Okay, and so there were two. There was the logical and this allows you to group two statements or expressions together. If this is true and this is true, then you can perform the code block below it. There's also the or operator. If this is true or this is true, then perform that the block below the conditional statement. And you can combine these in several, two or more of these together, and then order the precedence with parentheses. So parenthesis for order of precedence. All right, and that's in a nutshell what we talked about in this lesson. And now we're moving forward with another challenge in the next lesson. And this one will be a little bit harder, and it's going to use some of these concepts. So make sure you it'll help you to cement them. Make sure you review this cheat sheet or the previous lesson in order to move forward with it. Okay? So we'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.